So now I am going to solve this example by using the Gauss elimination method. So I have the system of linear equation here is I have this question and I'm going to solve this question or find the values of x1, x2 and x3 by using the Gauss elimination method. So first I'm going to write this system of linear equation in the matrix form. So here the coefficient of x1 is 1. So when I write it in the matrix form, I can write it 1. Then we have minus 1. Then we have 2. And then we have 0. So in the next, you can say next equation, we have 4, 1, 2 and 1. So 4, 1, 2 and 1. And in the last equation, we have 1, 1, 1 and minus 1. 1, 1, 1 and minus 1. So this is basically the A matrix and this is the B matrix. So now I am going to solve this by applying the row operation here. So first I am going to apply the row operation. This first element is 1 here, this is the pivot element and this is 1. So this is the and we have to start this question. Now here I am applying some row operation. So the first row operation is, the first thing is यहाँ पे मुझे 0 बनाना है और यहाँ पे भी 1 के नीचे सारी टर्म्स जो हैं ये मुझे 0 बनानी है. तो उसके लिए मैं ऐसा रो ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी कि मेरे पास ये टर्म भी 0 हो जाए और ये टर्म भी 0 हो जाएगा. तो इस टर्म को 0 करने के लिए सबसे पहले मैं रो ऑपरेशन क्या लगा लूँगी, R2 माइनस 4R1. और इसको करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे पहले से लिख लेती हूँ कि मैं क्या ऑपरेशन लगाऊंगी, सिंपली R3 माइनस R1 कर दूँगी. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट आपके पास एज इट इज़ आ गई और सेकंड पे जब रो ऑपरेशन लगाया तो इसका क्या मतलब है, R2 मीन 4 माइनस 4 0. देन आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा 1 माइनस प्लस 1 प्लस 4 दैट इज़ 5. देन 2 माइनस आपके पास 8 तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा -6. देन 1 माइनस 0 तो वो क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास अगेन 1. और जब इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे सो 1 माइनस 1 0. देन 1 प्लस 1 2. देन 1 माइनस 2 minus 1 and minus 1. So again here is minus 1 as well. So this is the matrix here. Now again I am going to apply a row operation here. So I write this column. So this is the matrix. अब यहाँ पे मुझे अगेन जो है रो ऑपरेशन लगाना है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं अगेन जो है वो रो ऑपरेशन लगाती हूँ कि बाय R2 माइनस 2R3. फर्स्ट क्या है 1 माइनस 1 2 0. अब सेकंड में चेंज आ रहा है मतलब R2 को माइनस कर दिया R3 में लाइक 0. अब यहाँ पे R2 की वैल्यू क्या है 5, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2. 5 माइनस 4 मेरे पास 1 आ गया. देन यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा R2 की क्या वैल्यू है -6 प्लस 2. ठीक है, -6 प्लस 2 तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा -4. देन 1 प्लस 2 तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास क्या आ गया रिजल्ट 3. और ये वाली रो मेरे पास एज इट इज़. अब अगेन मुझे यहाँ पे रो ऑपरेशन लगाना है. अब मैं अगेन जो है मुझे इस रो में चेंज चाहिए तो मैं क्या कर देती हूँ बाय R3 माइनस 2R2. ठीक है, 1 माइनस 1 2 0 एज इट इज़. 0 1 माइनस 4 3 एज इट इज़. अब थर्ड में चेंज आ रहा है. सो R3 0 माइनस 0 0 आ गया. देन R3 2 माइनस 2 इंटू 1 2 माइनस 2 तो ये रिज़ल्ट भी 0 आ गया. देन -1 माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 to the 8, minus 1 plus 8, that is 7, then minus 1, minus 3 to the 6, minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7. So in the next step I am dividing or multiplying with R3. So that means 1 minus 1 2 0 0 1 minus 4 and 3, and that is 0 0 1 and minus 1. So these are here, these one are in the diagonal and all the entries below these diagonal is 0. So I reduce this matrix into echelon form. Now I am writing by back substitution into the equation form. Like if I write this term in equation form, then that means x1 here is 0, x2 here is 0, and this is the value of x3, that is 1x3 is equals to minus 1. That means x3 equals to minus 1. Now I am going to write this equation, that is x1 here is 0 and this is basically x2 minus 4x3 and that is equals to 3. I write this row into this equation. x1 here is 0, this is x2 minus 4x3, that is equals to 3, and the other equation is, that is x1 minus x2 plus 2, that is equals to 0. So now putting this equation 1 into equation 2, putting equation 1 in equation 2, we have x2 minus 4 and the value of x3 is minus 1 here, that is equals to 3. So x2 minus minus plus 4, that is equals to 3. So x2, that is equals to minus 4 plus 3 and that is equals to minus 1. So the value of x2 is minus 1. Now putting all these values of x1 and x2 in this third equation, I am writing the equation here, that is this, and putting the values here. So x1 minus the value of x2 is minus 1 plus, sorry, this is x3, and the value of x3 is again minus 1. So x1 plus 1 minus 2, that is equals to 0. So x1 minus 1, that is equals to 0, and x1 equals to 1. So these are the equation here. x1 is 1, x2 is minus 1 and x3 is again minus 1. So by using the Gauss elimination method, I find the values of x1, x2 and x3. As you can see, these values are same in the previous method. So you use any of these method, the value of x1, x2 and x3 remains same. So this is the Gauss elimination method. I solve the system of linear equation by using the Gauss elimination method, but here I only solve this system of linear equation generally simply by adding or subtracting the equations.